Kundalini and attention pandemic. Attention pandemic is the most disturbing challenge that you are going through if you are also in the process of Kundalini Awakening. This means that you are devoid of your fundamental power, the power through which you can change your life and the power through which you can create your life. The attention pandemic is killing you every moment. The attention pandemic is like a virus. This means that you cannot combat the effects of attention pandemic through any means if you don't pay attention to what I am saying now. Your attention has been completely distracted. For example, if I open the window, you will see how the noise is disturbing and the wind sound is making my voice distorted too. This means that this energy of expression is disturbed by the external forces of the wind, and similar is your case. Your attention is constantly being drained by the distractions you have in your environment. Now, after closing the window, I can speak more vividly and you can also listen to me more clearly. Now, what is happening? You are not paying attention to the destruction that is happening to you. In fact, you are contributing to the destruction. You have become like a patient who has no control over the cancerous cells and they are growing exponentially. This means that you are a cancer patient. This means that you have no control over your life and you are ready to die. A cancer patient, mostly in the advanced level, loses hope in his life, and not only he loses hope, he becomes depressed with the thinking about why he has suffered at the first place. Such is going to be your case. Such is going to be your case if you are not paying attention to your life right now. For example, I am driving towards a certain place and the driver lost his attention.
Hello.
And he took to a different route. This is what happens to you. Means that if you are not paying attention to even your neural pathways, stop helping you to live your life. This means that right now, if you are paying attention to me, you will clearly understand the teachings behind. Now, if I am speaking and you can see noise in the background, that is the distraction in the attention. This means how many notifications you get from everywhere. You are on social media applications of all kinds of distractions are. Take a different route, I will pay you. आपको मैं दे दूंगी ज़्यादा, आप वहाँ से लेके जाओ, ठीक है? Another blockage in the route, the road is blocked here. So how I changed my direction is going to a different direction. Now I am moving into a different direction instantly because my intelligence is working. My time, money and energy is more important to me And that is why I took the decision. I took the decision to change my route. But are you conscious enough to take this decision? Soon I will show you how I am in flow. Here I have to pay a little extra to reach my route, but I will reach there with confidence, because it was my decision to not let my energy lose this opportunity to go where I am going because of the distractions it has. Now, as I am teaching you, you can have a view of the mighty Annapurna range, which is visible from the roads. So, slowly that will be visible to you. There, the mountains are standing. Here they are. So this is Pokhara. Soon you will be able to see it from a closer distance. So let me show you. All right, the buildings are hiding it. If I find a better view, I will show you. So this was not distraction, this was intentional, showing you how it works. This road is also closed. So, is there any other route? No route?
ये ना route.
Any other route that way?
वो route नहीं, सरंगकोट होके जाना होगा.
All right, रुकिए. I'll get back to you on this topic after I discuss with my driver. All right? Yes. So, since those routes were not working, I took the decision to go towards that particular spot through a different route. And due to this decision, my energy is flowing. Though it is taking more time to reach, but since I took the decision, because my attention was with myself, I am consciously taking the decision to change my route when I want it, and not because it is from external pressure or external conditions. This means that even if the situation gets worse, then I have to manage it with my power of attention, because where attention goes, energy flows and it grows. If you are paying attention to your mind, if you are paying attention to all the addictions and distractions that you have in your life, this means that you are not a great trader. You are trading off. You are a poor investor. You are not at all an investor. You are just a security guard. Security guard means that you are actually having first of all, your attention is not that of great quality, and you are exchanging with poor addictions. This means that you are losing your life. And if you want to become valuable, you have to make yourself valuable by keeping your attention to yourself. And this is the most important challenge in the Kundalini Awakening journey. You cannot remain conscious all the time, and that is the challenge you are facing. This means that you have to constantly depend on outside forces to live your life, and you are not living your life, you are wasting your life. And to make it more clear, your attention is getting wasted in all kinds of addictions the matrix is offering to you. There is no health, there is no happiness in the matrix in real terms. Everyone is addicted in the matrix in some way or the other way. So this was enough for this understanding. More about this I will keep on giving you the wisdom through which certain shifts may happen in you. Alright, so while I chose a different route and I'm going through a different route now, the blockages are cleared. It was a wise decision to go through this route, and I'm sure if you also follow my advice, then you will be flowing in your life. Thank you and bye-bye.